Reach out to StarTech Corporation at info@startechcorporation.com for expert advice on compressor setup and maintenance. Visit our website for more information: www.startechcorporation.net. To ensure proper maintenance and air circulation around the compressor, you should keep an area with a radius of 800 mm clear. Here's a simple illustration. By maintaining this clearance, you allow for easy access for maintenance and ensure adequate air circulation around the compressor. Install the compressor unit on a solid, level floor, suitable for the compressor mass. It is not allowed to place any extra, damping material between the floor and the base frame, so the frame is not supported on the complete surface. The compressor room should have proper ventilation in order to keep the air inlet temperature of the compressor under control. The maximum air temperature at the compressor intake is 46 degrees Celsius, 115 degrees Fahrenheit. The minimum temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. If the room temperature exceeds any of these limits, the compressor will automatically shut down. Alternative 1. Contact us to understand more about the formula. For compressors without a dryer, the formula is simple. The required ventilation capacity, QV, is calculated using this formula. QV equals 1.06 times the nominal power of the compressor motor, N, divided by the temperature increase, delta T, in the compressor room. But what if your compressor has a dryer? In that case, the formula adjusts slightly. The required ventilation capacity, QV, now equals 1.06 times the nominal power of the compressor motor, N, plus 1.2 times the electric power of the dryer, D, all divided by the temperature increase, delta T, in the compressor room. An exhaust duct is attached to the compressor's outlet, allowing hot air to be expelled outside the room. This method offers several benefits. By implementing a ducted exhaust system, you can optimize ventilation in your compressor room, ensuring efficient operation and maintenance. Remember, proper ventilation is key to maximizing the performance and lifespan of your compressors.